Hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. For example, I have a range of cells which containing the prices of a group of products, and I want to divide all the prices by 2, and now here comes the question. How can I quickly divide a range of cells by a number? By using paste special function of Excel, you can accomplish this task. They're an easy and quick method to deal with this work. First, download KutoolsforExcel from the video description and install in your computer. Next, select the range with numbers you want to divide by a certain number. And then click Kutools menu. Now navigate to More and click Operation option. Now, select Division in the operation box. Input the divisor number such as 15 in the operand box. And you can see the results from the preview pane. And finally click the OK or Apply button. It will successfully divide range of cells by a number in a second. Isn't it great? So, thank you so much for watching this example. And please subscribe our channel for more tutorials, and don't forget to download KutoolsforExcel from the video description.